Hello everyone, this video's topic will be about creating and tightening virtual cables in SimSolid. If we take a quick look at the model we'll be working with, we can see that all the parts have steel applied to them, all the regular connections have been made, and a structural linear analysis has been created with an immovable constraint defined. So first thing we're going to want to do is create 4 spots, one for each arm, that the 4 virtual cables will be connecting to. So we're going to go to Create Spot, and the spots we're going to be making are actually point spots. So we're going to be changing the A and B dimensions to 0. Then select this face, hit OK, and then let's do this 3 more times for the 3 other arms. Once we have created our 4 spots, we can go to Connections, go to Virtual Connectors, and then Cable/Rod. We're going to be making a grounded cable, so select that. Select one of the 4 spots we just made, and then click on ground and set the location of the ground as 0, 0, 10 up in the positive Z direction. And then we're also going to be clicking rigid to make a rigid cable. So again, we're going to be making that 3 more times for the 3 other spots. Once we have created all 4 cables, we can just select them in the project tree to make sure they've all been successfully created. And now we are going to go to the analysis and tighten them. So click on the structural linear analysis. Then we're going to click on the cable tightening/rod preload button and then select cable tightening. From here, we can select the cables we just made from the project tree, and we are going to be applying a relative shortening of 2%. So now that we have created our virtual cables and defined a tightening load on them, we can run the analysis. And now we can view and animate any results we'd like to look at, as well as look at the tension inside each of the cables we've created.